You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? In French, this word that also exists in English now, it's been borrowed from French and included in the English language. If you want to learn how it's said in English, stay tuned, I've got a video for you there. Now, if you're interested in learning how it is said in French, in France, we say it as bas relief. Bas relief. Bas has a silent S, it's French, so last letters are often silent in French. Bas relief. Now the F there is not silent. Bas relief. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.